What's up, YouTube? I'm all sweaty. I'm going to show you really quickly how to clean your mass airflow sensor in your 98 to 2002 Corolla or Chevy Prizm, but this will also work for similar Toyota engines. All right, we're going to be working on the driver's side. First step, disconnect your battery for good measure, and then we're going to navigate around right to here. So this is your mass airflow. This is where we're going to be working. So let me get you set up. Pretty simple. We're going to first undo the clip right here. So pinch the tab, just get a little flathead in there, sort of just break the seal. Probably hasn't been off in a long time. Just pull that bad boy off and clean up the clip and all around it. Just clean up the outside of this real quick. Your next move, there's two little Phillips holding the sensor into the intake. Mine aren't very tight, so that's good. Sometimes these can be pretty tight. Push inwards towards the work so you don't strip them. They're really small, so don't drop them. Tiny. Then we're just gonna pull it out. And you can undo this little hanger if you want. Looks like a 10 mil, but should be enough room here to just slip it out. I'll take that hanger off when I go to put it back in. So here's our part. It only goes in one way, the clip facing down, obviously. So let's take this over a bucket and we're gonna clean it off. I've got mass airflow sensor cleaner here. Comes with a straw. I'll link everything down below. And you're just going to clean that wire off really well and clean the whole body of it. This is safe on plastic, so. Toyota Denso, part number 22204-0D010. I am going to take this hanger bracket off. 10 millimeter. That just comes out. Makes it easier to get in and out. I recommend doing that just first. And then while things are open here, I'm just going to clean around it. Reinstall, just put this with the clip down, you know, put it in the hole and get your little screws, and you'll feel that O-ring. Line it up first. All right, just do one at a time. Tighten them evenly, just nice and snug. All right, put your clip back in. Snap your clip on, should snap closed. And put this hanger back. The hanger has a little right angle on the bracket that goes on the bottom. 10 millimeter. It's got two washers on it. You are good to go. So let it dry before you run it. Reconnect your battery and your computer will relearn the proper ratio that it wants. Hope that helps. Hope you get a little more pep from the throttle response. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot to me, and have a good day. Check out my channel for other videos on this generation Corolla. See ya.